Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Enable virtualization and install Docker Desktop or Docker Engine now. Once installed, sign into Docker Hub so you can push images later. Then run Docker run Hello World to confirm the daemon, client, and networking are working together. This gives immediate feedback and a small container log. If that succeeds, you know your environment is ready. Next, make a project folder and create a simple Docker file to turn your app into a reproducible image. Now you build and run your app image. Write a Docker file that selects a base image, copies source, runs build steps, exposes the app port, and defines the command. Once done, build with Docker build tmyapp 1, 0, and run with Docker run dp 8080, 80 myapp 1, 0 so you can access it in the browser. For multi-container setups, create Docker Compose. Iml and use Docker Compose up to orchestrate link services, persistence via volumes, and shared networks for predictable development. Finish by tagging and pushing your image to Docker Hub or a private registry so others can pull it. Tag with Docker tag, then Docker push. Once done, automate builds in CI to run tests, build images, and only push on success. This prevents regressions. For maintenance, remove unused images with Docker System Prune to reclaim space. If something goes wrong, daemon not reachable or permission denied, restart the Docker service, check Docker info, and confirm your user is in the Docker group. That resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.